Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I am Preeti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Guys, today's video is very special and I am so excited. As you must have already guessed by the title, it's a collaboration video. Yes, my first ever collab. So let me quickly introduce you to my guest for this video, very talented Swati. She's originally from India but is now settled in Texas, US. She has this amazing channel called Absolutely Creative where she posts interesting recipes, crafts, vlogs and many more things which you would like to see. I've mentioned a link to her channel in the description box below so you can check that out. So 15th August, Indian Independence Day coming soon. The craze has caught on in a big way. Seems like everything around is painted in Indian tricolor. So Swati and I took it as an opportunity to unite together and make two really fun videos for each of our channels. My channel featuring 2 Tricolor Dessert Recipes and her channel featuring 2 Independence Day crafts. So after watching this video in Crazy for DIY, don't forget to watch the other video in Swati's channel Absolutely Creative. I'm also mentioning the video link in the description box below. Any celebration in India can't be complete without gorging on some simple desserts. Desserts have been an integral part of our culture. So both of us here will be making one yummy dessert each in tricolor. And now let me first welcome Swati and see what she's going to make for us. So Swati's screen is all yours now.
Hello everyone, I am Swati from Absolutely Creative. I am so happy to collaborate with Preeti on this occasion. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So today I am going to show you all how to make this special tricolor jelly dessert. So let's start making. And now our tricolor jelly dessert is done. Do try and enjoy this jelly dessert recipe on this Independence Day. Please hit that like button if you like this video and also visit and subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative for more interesting videos.
Wow, that looks mouth-watering. I am personally going to give it a try and I am sure many of our viewers would too. Now for my turn, I am going to make tricolor trifle shots. So let's begin. To make the tricolor trifle shots, we need fruits in the color orange and green. I have taken chopped orange and kiwi here. You can opt for fruits as per your taste. Next we'll need little sugar. You can also use honey, cake sponge which I bought from the market, and whipped cream in the color orange, white and green. I have taken the cream in piping bags. Firstly, we'll add sugar to kiwi and orange to give them a sweet taste. Now we shall assemble our trifle shots. Kiwi forms the first layer. Then our next layer comprises of white whipped cream, and sponge cutouts. Now we'll add orange for the top layer. And now we shall decorate the top with the cream. I am making circles, outer one with orange, then white and green, and then place this mini flag. And it's ready, the tricolor trifle shots. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful, and thank you Swati for sharing this amazing recipe with us. And friends, do check out the craft video that we did on Swati's channel, Absolutely Creative. And lastly, do like both our videos, subscribe both our channels for more fun stuff. Signing off now, see you guys soon. Till then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.